I have heard so many people in the community who have said that they have given up in the Blum project because they were not eligible. And in my last video, I showed you how you can get yourself eligible for the Blum airdrop. So in this particular video, I'm going to continue with that particular video because there are some things that I showed and I didn't conclude about it because the link was not sent to my email. So if you are wondering and if you have not yet been eligible for the Blum airdrop, then this video is for you, and you want to make sure that you follow each and every bit of it without forwarding, so that you understand everything and you don't have to give up because you feel that you are not eligible. You still have a lot of opportunities to be eligible. So let me quickly show you that in this particular video. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. If you look at my channel right here, you can see I'm just going to come over here. Let me prove it, let me show it to you so that you see it, so that you won't be like at the end of the day. Now if you come right here, you see that my account, I have now passed this particular referral criteria right here. And if you look at the previous video I did, you see that it was also marked like this, meaning I have not passed it. I've shown you how you can get this particular one done right here, and it's very simple. If you have referred people and the referrals did not count right here, all you have to do, sometimes they might even count here and they will still show you that you have not passed right there. So in that particular video, that is how mine was, and I told you that all you have to do is make sure that you tell your friends or you tell anybody that has joined under you to go and connect their wallet. So once they go ahead and connect their wallet, just wait, just relax. After some hours, you will see that it will count, and then you are going to be marked right here as this condition. You see that you have passed the condition right here. So the last one that I still have left is this one right here, and it is the Sybil check right here. So if you look at it, if you just click on check right now, you see I've not passed it. So I'm quickly going to show you how you can pass it right here. So first of all, you have to come here and then link your email. So I've already linked my email. So once you come over to this particular spot right here, you are going to see link email. So just click on that, and then there will be a captcha for you to prove that you are a human being. So just tick mark it and then click on it, and then a link will be sent to your email. So mine has been sent, so the link is going to come over like this. So you have to just click on link email right here. So once you click on link email, you just have to wait, let it load up, and then if you are just using your telegram app will pop up right here. So I'm using two messaging app that are similar to telegram, that's why you see this. So I'll just select this one and then click on just once. So that is what you want to do. So once you have done that, you just have to wait, let it load up by itself, and then you will see that they will ask you to confirm if you are human. So it is a captcha, so it's loading. I will just have to relax and wait for it to load up by itself, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click on verify that you are a human by tick marking on that tick mark right there. So you can see it's successful, and guys, that is that. You can see, wow, you are all set. You have successfully linked the email to your Blum account. So I'll click on got it, and then you can see now we just have to come back to airdrop checker again. So let's go ahead and check it again. So you click on the am I eligible, and then you come to check if you are eligible. So you just click on that. So you can see that I have not still passed the Sybil check. Now let me just tell you why it is like this. So the same way I did, if you watch my last video, you discover that I did the same thing for the referrals and it didn't count immediately, but right now it's showing that it has counted. So, and I have more than 2 referrals, so it's only the Sybil check. And I've also successfully linked my email. So this is my email right here, so it has successfully linked. So I'm good, I'm clean. So now all I have to do is wait after some hours and then come back here and then check. Oh, you can do this. So what I'm going to do is close down everything and then relaunch the app. So once we relaunch the app, we are just going to head over to am I eligible once again, and then click on check if you are eligible, and then you can see it's still showing the same thing. So if you have refreshed your app and it's still showing the same thing, all you have to do is wait for the Blum airdrop update. So they are going to update it, and once they update it, you will see that you have passed this Sybil check, and of course you'll be ready for the airdrop. Remember, they have told us that in their last, they had an I think yesterday, and then they told the community that they are going to be making some updates. You know, a lot of people fall victim of this Sybil check task, so they are trying to do their best to make sure that everyone passes. If you look at it right now, I just did mine and they sent the link to my email. So before it was not like that. For some days I tried it, they didn't send the link, they sent it today. So once you click on this on that code and they send the link, sometimes it might take 10 minutes. If it takes 10 minutes, just wait, just make sure that you are checking your mailbox. So I just thought of informing the community about this latest update, and so that you can prepare your account and be ready. So right now I'm ready. Forget this one that is showing right here now. So after some hours, you will see that I might still have to make a video about it to show you, to prove to you that it worked. So that is how it is. Don't give up. If you will see that you are not eligible, just make sure that you follow these simple things I've shown you, and then you are going to be eligible for the airdrop. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.